Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change your bio on Tinder. Your Tinder bio is the perfect place to share your personality, and here's how to tweak it. So first, open the Tinder app on a mobile device, then tap on the bottom right corner of the screen, and this will open your profile section. Here, tap on the pencil icon or the edit profile button right here and scroll down until you see About Me. Tap on it, and here you can write any bio you want. And after you're done, just go and tap on the arrow on the top left. This will automatically update your bio. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.